Assalamu alaikum. Welcome for today's podcast of the stories from the Ummah. I'm your host for today. My name is Abdullah Al Kaisan. My batch number is KD 134. Today I have a special guest. Please introduce yourself.
Assalamu alaikum audience. My name is Suhaib ibn Sadiq from well-known English language tutor Bangladesh from batch number grade 134.
Have you ever wondered how Allah brings something dead back to life?
Yes, it's one of the most astonishing stories from the Holy Quran.
Really? Was there a story about this?
Yes, there was a story. The story was about a man who was traveling with his donkey and stumbled upon a destroyed town. The houses were destroyed and the streets were empty.
That must look terrifying. What did the man think when he saw the town?
He thought how Allah could make the dead to life again.
And what happened next?
Then Allah caused the man to die right there, and he slept for 100 years.
100 years? That is unbelievable.
It truly is. During that time, generations lived and died. Rulers had gone there and went. Trees grew again, birds flew, and the town rebuilt itself.
So, when the man woke up, what did he realize? How much time had passed? When the man woke up, what did he realize? So, when the man woke up, did he realize how much time had passed?
So, when he woke up, he thought it was only a day or part of a day.
How did he react when Allah told him the truth?
He was astonished. He thought that he only slept for a day or part of a day.
That sounds incredible. Did he show him any signs?
Yes, Allah showed him that his food and water were still fresh.
Subhanallah, I heard there is even more miracle.
Yes, there was. Allah made him look at the donkey. He was astonished. The donkey's bones were lying on the ground. And right before his eyes, the donkey grew alive again. Flesh-wrapped bones and skin-wrapped flesh.
That must have completely changed his understanding.
Yes. Then the man realized that Allah could do anything that he wants.
What lesson can we learn in this story?
We can learn that Allah can do anything that He wants and is in His will. And Allah does everything best for humanity and things that teaches us in the story.
What a powerful and inspiring reminder. Thank you so much for telling this beautiful story with us today.
Thank you for having me too.